Where are we going?
Kauai.
It's Thursday and we're heading to the airport now, so exciting.
Let's get this.
Get what?
And I'm suddenly like, oh my god, Millie, you packed a massive knife in your suitcase.
Oh.
Pretty much sometimes she pats my head while I sleep.
And weekends, 8:30 a.m. to 8 p.m.
I got a vanilla sweet cream cold brew and it's delicious.
Delish. Millie, what'd you get?
Ice brown sugar shaken espresso. Ice brown sugar shaken espresso.
Yep.
New Orleans, Cancun, and
Guys, we just landed in Kauai. The weather is looking a little bit sad, but it's okay. It's supposed to clear up and it's already nighttime, so it'll get dark soon anyways.
We don't need anything else? In the bag?
And we're in.
Take your shoes off, guys.
It was so pretty. Guys, we just got into the Airbnb at Kauai. We went and got Jack in the Box. Guys, I feel like no one talks about Jack in the Box, and it's literally one of the only takeaways I've actually got here, and it's fucking great. Great. Anyways, house tour. This place is nice. Like, it's crazy. I'm gonna start from the front door. So we walk in, and first bedroom, we're all just kind of splitting up. There's a few bedrooms and beds, and then there's a sofa couch. We're all just sharing them all. Our laundry. Look at this freaking kitchen. Crushed ice, guys. Anyways, this is so deluxe. I can't wait to see it in the day. The whole drive here, all I could think of was how cool this would look. Oh my god, there's a screen. That gave me such a fright. Holy shit. Let's have a look at upstairs. What's under here? Cool. Oh my god, this is actual lushness. I love. Oh, okay. Oh. This is so nice. Oh. So there are literally 9 of us. I have seen 2 beds, but I think there's a sofa couch. Guys. I'm confused. Anyways, that's our place. We are somehow gonna have to fit. We'll make it work, it's fine. Okay, update guys. We have made the pull-out couches and I'm sitting here working on my freaking midterm. I'm gonna try and get it done tonight so I don't have to think about it, because I have a midterm test next week when I get back. So I want to only have to focus on that, not have 2 to focus on while I'm in Kauai.
Yeah, okay. I reckon. Hey, how?
getting heat from the wall.
Yeah, it's true. So first time wearing my safest. First time wearing my safest red shorts.
Did you drive past all of the buildings with the lights?
Yeah, it was.
We're gonna be in landscape, I'm sorry.
Oh my god. I love going. Do you know what's making me die?
Look at what like sunglasses.
Wailua Falls.
Wailua Falls.
The way my eye.
Never like met each other.
sit
Yeah,
out
good.
under that. I'm scared it's gonna be cold, so.
Me too. We can try. I'll come with you.
Congrats, guys.
Guys, okay.
Okay, we saw people shooting.
No, we saw people shooting this swimsuit brand, so I was like, I love the swimsuit. So I went up to one of them and I was like, where did you guys get, like, what's the brand name? I love it. And then the owner comes up to us and he's like, oh my god, like, I want to send you guys some stuff. Where are you from? We were chatting to him for ages. So he got us to like add us and message us. So he's gonna like, drop them off.
Like, we're gonna send you bikinis.
He's like, he's gonna drop them off when he gets to Oahu in a few days, or post them to us. How insane is that? And we were supposed to, we ran out of time, but we were supposed to literally go and get shot. He was
like, they could
he was
take.
like, oh my god, like, we'll go and shoot you guys for free, like, come with us. And then all the girls were leaving, so we were like, oh, we better go. But anyways, crazy lit movie
Crazy lit
experience.
movie. Free bikinis coming our way.
Amazing. So cute. Oh my god. There's two of them like literally like sleeping on each other. So cute. My muse. You're scared. Review of the crack Mexican. Out of 10?
Yeah.
Oh.
Singaporean, Malaysian.
Back. What? He said they could pick one thing. This isn't picking. It's looting. And it's...
Good morning, guys. With me and Naomi are gonna go for a sunrise run to the beach and then go for a swim. It's the beach we were at last night with all the turtles, so fingers crossed there are lots of turtles. Fingers crossed. Guys, we're at the beach. Look at us go. Post swim time. How do we feel?
Amazing. I feel just like so pure.
Cleanse. We just did a spiritual cleanse.
Yeah.
Yep. Amazing. It was beautiful. Yeah. You look, that is actually the cutest video. Like this will be it. Yeah.
Switching back. But there's more car park down there. Sorry, guys.
It is literally so beautiful. We're at Tunnels Beach. The water is crystal clear and look at this background view. literally insane. I can't believe it. Hey guys, plan for the day. I'm so freaking excited. It's our last day here in Kauai. We leave tonight at like 7:30, I think. But we have a whole day planned. It's like 7 a.m. now. We're leaving in like 15 minutes, I think. We're doing the Pali coast boat tour. So we go for 5 hours on a catamaran boat. And we swim, we snorkel, then we're supposed to see dolphins, turtles. I'm hoping for whales, like who said that? I'm just gonna summon all of my all my spirits to just like summon all the animals. Like spiritually, so in touch. And then yeah, we get to see the Nepali boat, the Nepali coast, which is like, you can only see it via boat. I'm so excited. It's like actually going to be the most beautiful, incredible experience ever. I've been so excited. I've been wanting to do it for so long. Like, it's actually going to be like one of my top life things I've ever going to do. It's insane.
Hopefully it's got a bit of mayo, a bit of mustard.
We're always glad to meet you guys, especially these back ones. Sometimes people are looking for that shade. You nervous?
Smile.
What do you mean it's a 20 knots? Smile. You're good.
Oh my god, no way.
This is so cool. Whoa. Whoa.
No. You can hear them, wait.
Look at them. Look at them. That's up. I want to be a dolphin. I changed my mind. I don't want to be an octopus. I want to be a dolphin.
I like that idea way better.
We've been deciding what
so
animal we want to be.
many.
What's the animal we want to be all
Yeah,
weekend.
definitely dolphin.
What if we had dolphin?
Someone has like a 2-year lifespan.
What?
Yeah, but I have 8 hearts.
Wait, dolphins have 2 years.
It's
Yeah,
fun.
So you guys can see all the horizontal lines in this cliff set right here. That's all the different lava pools that help form this island. She missed it. Oh, I got it. Oh, thank you, clouds. And I don't think it may be one of those. Is it?
Okay guys, we are doing a hike right now and it is absolutely beautiful. It's supposed to be only like 1.5 to 2 hours long, and then we're gonna head straight to the airport, drop off our rental car and catch our flight back home at like 8 p.m. But the boat tour was literally insane. Saw so many turtles, saw so many dolphins, and it was like the most spiritual, magical, mystical experience ever. And then we went and drove through the Waimea Canyon, got a coffee. It was a bit milky, but it's okay. Grateful for whatever coffee I can get my hands on. And then now we're doing this hike. It's me, Nat, Chica, and Merv, but they're just a little bit behind me. But yeah. Okay. Guys, we made it. We've literally sprinted like the last 2 miles, but we made it, and it's literally incredible. So insane. Okay guys, we are in the car on the way back to the airport. We're going to drop off the car we rented, and then our flight is at like 8:30. So we're going to get home quite late, and I have a 9 a.m. tomorrow and a midterm on Tuesday, but it's okay. Kauai was amazing. Crazy lit movie. But we did almost die on it. Me and Nat did almost die on a hike. We thought it was going to be 1.6 miles each way, and it was like 3.4 miles, so 6.8 miles all up. And it was straight vertical on the way down, so straight vertical on the way up, and we had only 2 hours to do it. So we ran all the way down, and we're like walking as fast as we possibly could on the way up, dying of heat stroke, had no water. I was wearing jandals, so yeah, completely not dressed for the hike it was either. Maybe the hardest hike I've ever done. Low-key. Yeah, no water, boiling hot, sweated, and wearing this and a mini denim skirt, this top and jandals was a bad idea. Running all the way down the mountains like a fucking mountain goat. Anyways, yeah, that's my update. Yum! Bye bye, Kauai.